The Aussie versus US dollar is continuing its move to the downside and trading here today with the pair now down minus 0.86%. It's one of the top movers to the downside against the greenback in trading here today. I'll talk about the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. I want to first focus on the 4-hour chart, then I'll go to the hourly chart. The main focus would be on this move to the downside. This is coming from the October high down to the low that we saw beginning of February. The corrective move off of that low came right near the 38.2% retracement and also just below the falling 100-day moving average. The 38.2% retracement came in around the 0.6412, and you can see we stretched just a little bit short of that level. And then started its rotation in trading last week. That has continued in trading this week. Now I'll go to the hourly chart because I think that tells a little bit better story of this move to the downside. What we saw from our peak, and here it is. That was last Friday. It got close to that 38.2, close to the 100-day moving average. Moved lower and then has seen one sideways day in trading yesterday or on Tuesday. And then a sharper move to the downside yesterday. That the momentum has continued in trading here today with probably an even sharper move lower. We moved below the this swing area through here. That swing area was defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. I have to go back even further to this area right through here. Swing low, swing low, swing low. Break below that, then it becomes a swing high. We come to that level right again, right through here. Follow, follow, follow. We break above. We try to use this level as a floor through here, here, here. And then in trading on Tuesday, we fell a little bit below it, fell a little bit below it. Bounced back up to the 200-hour moving average, found willing sellers, and then finally in trading yesterday, the last thing we did before moving to the downside was come back up and retest the high of that swing area before moving to the downside. So that was a key test right there that gave the sellers to go ahead and trading here today. The initial move to the downside came down to the 38.2% retracement. That is of this move to the upside from the low price from February to the high price in February. 38.2 came in at 0.6285, and that was the low price right here. After the initial bounce, I moved up to the high of this swing area here. We found willing sellers here and broke below that 38.2% retracement with momentum this time, and that has pushed the price all the way back down toward the 50% retracement. That's going to be the next key target on the downside for this pair. It comes in at 0.624774 level to be exact. Just below that is a swing level going back to these days way back here. We had a couple different highs right there, and you can see that how it did a pretty decent job of kind of dissecting bullish above, bearish below. There were some moves back and forth above those levels, but for instance, these moves below that level right here, and right here. But you can see how it found support against a 200-hour, moved higher, found support against a previous low, moved higher. So this is going to be another key area right here at 0.6247, and then we'll look toward the 0.62348 level on the downside. So sellers are making a play here. A big move to the downside, nearly 0.9% on the downside, moving toward that 1% decline, but running into that 50% retracement level, which is going to be a key target. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with the trading. Bye-bye now.